Today we're going to do the walking water science experiment. The materials you will need are 3 glass jars about the same size, at least 2 different colors of food coloring, 1 whole paper towel that you will want to cut in half and fold lengthwise 4 times, and then water. Step 1, you're going to want to fill the left and right jar halfway with water. Then take your food coloring and put 2 drops in each jar. You can pick up the glass and swirl it around a little bit to get it to mix in with the water. Then you want to sit the jars back down right next to each other. Then you're going to take your paper towel, fold it in half, put 1 in the left jar and 1 in the middle jar, and the same thing on the right side, and then watch as the magic happens and the water will start to walk from one cup to the other.